First, add your clip to the timeline, then trim the clip to roughly this length. After that, go to Speed, Curve, Custom. Add a beat marker here, lower the last beat point and raise the first beat point to 3.0. Next, delete the second, third, and fifth beat points. Enable better quality, then remove the audio from the clip and export it. After exporting, restore the audio you removed earlier, then import the exported clip back into the project. Go to Speed, Curve, Custom, raise the last beat point to 1.8, and delete all the other beat points. Then reverse the clip. Now add another clip here and repeat the same process as before. After that, add one more clip and trim it to 0.3 seconds. Go to Speed, Curve, Custom, and create the same curve as before. Enable better quality, then duplicate this clip 3 times. Adjust each duplicate to match the beat, and reverse the second and fourth clips. After that, go back to the first clip, then go to Transform, Advanced Zoom. Add a keyframe at the beginning and another at the end of the first clip. Set the second keyframe to 130% zoom. For the second clip, add a keyframe at the beginning, set the zoom to 130%, add another keyframe at the end, then return the zoom to its original value. Repeat the same pattern for the remaining clips. After that, go back to the first clip and apply the quad out graph. On the second clip, apply cubic in. Repeat the same pattern for the third and fourth clips. Then, for the clips in this section, apply the quad out graph to all of them. And now let's see the result. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next trending edit. See you in the next video.